I don't want to wake up and feel like shit the next day. I want to wake up at 8 a.m. and go ride a snowboard.
That was the coolest thing I've ever done in my life.
Woohoo! What up, people? First video on the new GoPro. Just so you can see, like,
This shit's dark as fuck.
Miles, pay attention! Miles is asleep. Murderer. Murderer. I was about to say, Merle got the collar pop. Look at him.
Oh, that was slick. Hey, man. Really nice meeting you, bro.
Good little ride, man. Get home safe. Hope you enjoy.
I have no fucking clue who that dude was.
Oh, my Lord. We're gonna bomb Wagner trying to get down. Nothing.
I'm so glad I came out today.
Like, actually, I'm so fucking happy I'm out here. And I'm so happy this motherfucker's here with me. I like this dude.
Oh, is it icy?
Look at this. I don't like this, but we're gonna do it. That's artificial. Oh! It's crazy how you hit a chunk of artificial just like. So, how this works now that I have a GoPro is I ride and I'm like worried about my battery life and I'm trying to get better at talking to the camera. But because I'm concerned about my battery life, I end up not recording everything and I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna do a crazy run this time. I'm just gonna like take it easy. And then I never take it easy. So I end up either like doing something I think was pretty cool, but I'll never know because it's just in my memory. Or I eat shit and like break myself on something. And I don't get it on video. Like, I obliterated my kneecap the last time I rode. Like, my left knee hates me. This is my favorite run. You go over here, duck into the trees, and then it's just a zigzag trail. And it spits you out right here. And it's so awesome. Or like, you come out at any point up here. A lot of times that's like the only place you can really get tree runs. That's what I love about being able to work here is this is my first season working here. And I met so many people. And I don't really drink, and it's a big drinking culture. But I've slowly found a way to feel comfortable in that. Normally, when I live in Pittsburgh, I just sit down. I don't know where I'm going with this. Oh. I end up sticking to myself, because everybody just likes to fucking party and drink. And that shit sucks. I don't want to wake up and feel like shit the next day. I want to wake up at 8 a.m. and go ride a snowboard. I love that I got another day!
I want the extra day. We don't have many left.
What up, Lucius?
What up, my man?
Not much, man.
So nice that you should come out now.
Wow, it's that bad. I tried to go through this little park up here. Here's it. Obviously, no, it's not. No shit. They have Phyllis open. That's wild. That is crazy.
Where are you from?
Pittsburgh originally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you stay up here for the whole year?
Yep, I actually just got put on for full time for the year at the Pav, so I'm up here until further notice.
Great.
Yeah. Gonna get a job a couple days, whitewater rafting. Trying to get in with the company down there, see what's up. There he is. Let me see your vape. Mine died. But you look so upset. Stoned. Look, I broke something. I don't know how I did that, but I did.
What's your name?
Nothing, but I just cracked the ice right there. Doing the Fat Beaver song. It is a fucking atrocious to ride anywhere else that isn't here. And here's a sheet of fucking ice. Then you get to the bottom, and then they blew snow down here at the bottom. So you're on ice, and then you get powder. So unless you're like on an edge, you just fucking. That was the coolest thing I've ever done in my life.
I found out her high school's like damn near borders mine.
Socks for gloves, baby!
Sarah, I barely know her. And a comfy.
And a comfy. No, seriously. Socks for gloves, a $20 comfy, girl snow pants. There was a little mole that just dug up and then dug a little hole. That was fucking adorable. It was like this big.
No, you're adorable.
No, you. No, you.
It cannot possibly be steeper than the double black through trees I had to do in Park City.
Go. It's fucking steep. I'm too nice of a person.
I'm just gonna toss it. I was coming in way too hot. Ooh, that was fucking terrifying. I was like the slow motion edge of a lifetime.
That boy's hungover. God damn, that was flat as fuck on the other side. That shit hurt.
Everybody's gonna be so sugared up on this mountain.
Oh, get in there, Ty. Get in there. Like, you say you can't do it, but Zed Powell does it with the big board.
63 more centimeters than mine.
And you're black too, so it works.
Oh. Thank you. It's gotta be the extra kind of black. He's like Caribbean or something.
I didn't know there were levels to this shit, bro. Fucking teach me.
All right, you know what? You need a double.
Dude, you were rapping. You got that done.
We gotta watch out for Jackson.
Oh yeah. Scissor me timbers.
Hold on for a second. Pull me. Whoa, rare sight. Aiming with this. Nope, he's going back to the pockets. As I was about to say, rare sight. You had your hands just out. Yeah, Merle! What? Oh, dude, that just fucking ate me. That boy just does not care about his boards. What the fuck am I doing, Merle? What the fuck am I doing? Barely know her! Ew. Oh, sorry, buddy. I totally scared him. Look at us, all four of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, that fucking hurt. Oh, that's the first time I've had to do that. And it's just rocks over here. Gonna be sweet by the end of the night. I say from here on out, no more tricks, but I know I'm gonna do a trick. 5 seconds later, that's a trick. Not even, that was like 2 seconds. I was like, that was way too loud of a splash for just me. Huh? I was like, that was way too loud of a splash for just me to be going through it.